Hello students, welcome to OTech 090. My name is Sarah Haisoon and I will be your instructor for this semester. Just a brief introduction of the course. After you watch this video, I would like for you to watch the introduction to Canvas video. There I have a few steps where I would like for you to take once you log into Canvas. This class is going to be, the first semester is keyboarding. We're going to be using a typing.com account. The second semester is going to be creating Word documents. We're going to be creating business letters, memos, business reports, and resume, and then the last one will be a resume with tables. So please make sure you participate with the second half of the semester. If you do not continue with the second half of the semester, I will be required to drop you from the class. When you go into Canvas, I would like for you to read the syllabus. Make sure you read the whole thing because there's a lot of important information there about the course. I want you to read the welcome letter. I want you to view the weekly assignment schedule so you can see what we're going to be doing every week. I also included a couple of tutorials on how to use a discussion board, how to reply to a student discussion topic, and how to use the Canvas email, because I prefer you to send me an email through Canvas instead of the RCC email account. Also, in the discussion board, I have a help forum where you can post if you have any questions, comments, or concern about the class or material. So feel free to use that so we can all have the same information. If there's a student that would like to jump in and answer the question, please feel free to do so. Because I usually check the discussion forum before I check the email account. Make sure you check in. You have from Monday to Wednesday to check in to our online class. If you do not check in by Wednesday night, 11:59 p.m., I'm required to drop you from the class, and I can add another student from the wait list. And if I drop you, I will not be able to reinstate you. Once you check in, do your student introduction. I have a link for that will take you to the discussion board. I also would like for you to create a typing.com account on the free program because we're not using a textbook. Once you create an account, then feel free to complete the assignment for the first week. And the first assignments for the first week are very short. I included the chapter that you need to read, which is just maybe 1 or 2 pages. And it has to do with how to use the web and how to use the internet and how to manage your files. So how to organize your files, creating folders. So that's for the first week of class. So make sure you get started on that, and so you can have it completed by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So all the assignments are due by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Please do not wait till the last day to complete all your assignments because that'll be impossible. I highly recommend that you start completing your assignments. Start on a Monday, and if you don't want to complete the whole thing, 1 or 2 days, you still have the rest of the week to complete your assignment. That'll give you enough time to learn the keyboard and to learn the materials that need to be learned for this class. Again, I welcome you to the course, and if you have any questions, please feel free to participate in the discussion help. Thank you.